I would like to start by talking about one of the things that we use at our school a ton, which is in Google Drive and really utilizing the shared drives. And the purpose for these shared drives that can be located very easily in your Google Drive, I've got lots of them, but in my shared drives in particular, let's look at our Behavior PLC has a shared drive in which we all input documents into, and that is something that then we feel like we all have access to them, and we can then network when we get together and say, here are some things that I'm using in my classroom, or here's something that we're working on. When we end up talking to the group as a whole about our Behavior PLC, we can present to them ideas, and we've kind of got it all in one place, which is really nice. Another thing that's been neat in shared drives is the ability to create and then share with people the different documents that we've created. And I love Google Docs and the ability to kind of make things a little bit more fun, adding some little emojis and things like that have made these slips that the kids get kind of neat. So I've made some documents if they end up on a list that lands them with an F in a class of any sort. This is a way for them to get notified of that class and let them know they kind of come up with a plan of action to complete that assignment. We've got, let's see here. Yeah, all sorts of different templates that we've made that I really like that they're all in one place. Because when we go to talk about our RTI times or homeroom times or different things that we're doing, I've created some of these, other people have created, and it's nice that we are all starting to have uniform things that we use with one another and passes that we share from one person to the next, and we can all have access to them. So that's been one really neat thing that I like about Google Drive, and that is my own and then shared drives recently shared with me, and organizing those has been fun to get those in order. So that's what I wanted to share about with Drive, and I am going to start creating some new folders that I will be sharing with students and classes in particular that I will be dumping documents and things like that into. And I know in the coaching world, I have used this in track coaching where I have would create a track folder and have all of the templates and things like that that I use in there. So that's what's been pretty neat about those.